What is up, guys? So my good client John just came to me and asked me a way to do some customizing to his ClickFunnels landing page. I thought the request was interesting, so I might as well record this while I'm doing. So the thing is, John built this landing page couple of hours back, and he want to highlight a specific part from within his heading, not the entire heading, just a specific part. So ClickFunnels out of the box does allow you to edit the styling of look and feel of the headings. To do that, you just need to I am in the edit right now within ClickFunnels, so you can just click this gear icon right here of that heading, go to get CSS info, get the ID of this element, and then write some CSS styling for that. Web developers know what I'm talking about here, right? So I just copied that. So if I type something like this, the heading would basically become red, just like you saw. So I'm going to remove that. Now the thing is, how can we make a part of this heading highlighted? That means for a portion within the heading, we need to give a different styling. The interesting thing is, and by default what happens is, you can't actually, for a heading, you can't actually go to a custom CSS or HTML mode where you can like give a custom styling only to this part. However, the interesting thing is, to do something like this, you can basically go ahead and apply a different styling. For example, when I try to edit the text, you can see ClickFunnels giving me the option to make it bold, italic or underline, right? So if I make this part bold, what happens is, now if let's save this, saved, and if I reload the page right here, you can see it's been bold. Now if we check the HTML, so this is, I just right click and clicked inspect within Chrome, then you can actually go through the HTML side of the page, just like you are viewing the source. If you are a developer, I'm pretty sure you know this. Now the thing is, if you check here, you can see now within the header, ClickFunnels has applied a different HTML tag called B, basically to make it bolder, right? Now because of that, we can actually go ahead and target this B within this element. So this is how it's gonna look like. So I'm gonna get the CSS ID of the entire element, which is right here. I click the gear icon, I went to get CSS info, I copied it from here, and I'm gonna go to custom CSS like before, paste it, and this time I am gonna target this B, the bold part of the text. So now I can add a yellowish color to that. So I am going to use an app called Hue, which is like a simple color picker. You can get the color wheel. I'm going to copy this color. I am going to apply this as the background, and I'm going to change the text color to something little bit reddish. All right, let's save this and see how it. All right, as you can see, now it's highlighted. Now here's the thing, so from now onwards, every item you make bold gonna get that style. So bear in mind that whatever the text you make bold within this element, it's gonna get highlighted. So I think this looks good. This is sort of a hack to get something done within ClickFunnels. Hope you got something out of it.